Hey everyone, what's up? If you're running a store on Shopify, you need to see this. Whether you're using ElevenLabs Voice, OpenAI, or Claude, if you actually want your AI to work, it has to connect to your database and CRM. We're talking about a complete workflow upgrade, Assistflow Developer v3. This isn't just another chatbot, this is a full AI assistant that answers your phone and instantly knows who's calling. Assistflow just launched Shopify API support, and today we're diving into the integration. Let's get into it. Why Assistflow? Simple. It's no code. One click to install, sync, and deploy. Done. For voice, buy a number, hit connect, and boom, your store is powered by AI. Now imagine this. A customer calls, and the AI greets them by name. If it's their first time, it creates a profile instantly. If they've called before, it feels like they're talking to someone who already knows them. Same for chat. The AI connects directly to your Shopify backend. Orders, products, stock levels, everything is live. So when someone asks, "Where's my order?" or "Is this in stock?" the AI answers instantly, faster than any human. You also get smart ticketing, short message capture, intelligent routing, and full control over Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It's like having a 10-person team inside one app. Some say AI takes jobs. In reality, it gives small businesses the power to scale without hiring more staff. Let's talk pricing, no fluff. Chat and social features start at $19 per month. Voice AI is $49 per month. You use your own number and provider. Enterprise builds start at $99 per month. And here's the key. Assistflow doesn't mark up your call costs. You pay your provider directly. No hidden fees. Plus, there's a 14-day free trial. Zero risk. All right, pause the video, grab a coffee, and let's set this up. It's super smooth. Step 1. Go to your Shopify dashboard. Create a test customer using your own phone number. Then create a test order for that customer. Step 2. Install Assistflow from the Shopify app marketplace. Grant permissions. It auto-syncs everything. You're live. For chat, hit sync, then deploy. Done. Test it by asking about your order. Now the best part, voice AI. In the test panel, select your country and hit Start Test. You'll get a temporary number for 5 minutes. Call it, and the AI answers, using your name. "Hey, how can I help you today?" That moment, that's when it clicks. This is real. If you like what you see, start your free trial. You'll get dashboard access where you can. Configure AI chat and API connections. Use ready-made Shopify prompts. Track calls with recordings and AI summaries. Just connect your number, add your API keys, and your AI call center is live. Don't forget to explore outbound AI, meta integrations, and kiosk solutions. It even handles Facebook comments, Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp automatically. And keep an eye on their meta-human and hologram tech. That's next level. If you run a store, you're one click away from full automation. Save time, cut costs, scale faster. Let's go.
Let AI handle your Shopify calls while you focus on the fun stuff. Activate it right now. Find Assistflow AI on the Shopify